Blocking someone on Credit Karma can help protect your personal information and maintain your privacy. Follow these steps to quickly block someone on the platform. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Credit Karma account by entering your username and password on the website or app. Step 2. Navigate to privacy settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Find the block list option. In the privacy settings, locate the option for managing your block list or blocked users. This may be labeled as blocked users or something similar. Step 4. Add the user to the block list. Enter the username or email address of the person you wish to block. Confirm the action by clicking the appropriate button, such as block or add. Step 5. Review your blocked users. After blocking, check the list of blocked users to ensure the person has been successfully added. This will help you manage your privacy settings effectively. By following these steps, you can quickly block someone on Credit Karma and enhance your account's security.